Supercalifragilistic. That's a word, right?
I think
No,
so. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
dude, it's like the longest word in the whatever.
Oh, I
Yeah,
have
dude, don't
Googled
you?
it before, hey, and I
Yeah,
saw it before, hey, and then
yeah,
forgot about it before, hey.
you're the ah. Okay, I should come down. I should come down. Yeah, I think they even have a song about it. Supercolor, what. But anyways, so without using a calculator, it's just a matter of writing this as
It's in prime
yeah,
basis, right?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, as a square number and something that's not a square number. So you can think of 2 times, let's say 12. But it can be anything really. Let's say 2. You can just break it up into its prime factors actually.
Oh, okay.
Of which I think the calculator can do that for us. We can
Yes.
just write in our calculator 48 and then equal to and then shift and then fact, giving us 2 to the power 4 and then 3. So here we're gonna have square root of 2 to the power 4 and then 3 minus square root of 3 and then 27. You're gonna have 27 equal to and then shift fact. You have 3 to the power 3, right? And then let's carry on. So from here, remember we know that the square root here represents a half.
Wait, how did you? Okay, yes, actually, never mind. I realized.
Yeah. And then now we can take out the, well, at the top, it looks like we'll be able to take out 3 to the power half as a
Wait,
common factor.
Levi,
Yep.
you see why you said 3 to the power of 3?
Yeah, down here. Oh, I forgot the square root. Oops.
Yes.
So I might as well do this then. Oh, and then now we can exercise an exponential law here. That's going to help us. Let me show you. Let me show you how we're about to con the system. So look, remember with exponents, you can swap these two if you want to, of which right now we may want to, because look, at the top here, right, we can write out 3 to the power of a half as a common factor. Here, 4 times 2, that's just, a half times 4, that's just 2. Wait, is this, yeah. And then here, minus 1 as a, placeholder. And then at the bottom here, you see you'll have 3 to the power of a half like this. Do you see? Yeah, can swap those two if you want, so that here we can also take out 3 to the power of a half as a common factor. And then that can cancel the one at the top there. Yeah, I just wrote it like this for the vibe, so that we can just cancel 1 and 1. And then here, this is just 2 to the power of 2, which is like 4 minus 1. A half times 2 is 1. And then you have 3 over 3, which is
1.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yes.
Not.
Okay.
Not. So even the next one, right? If you check the next one, it's what the next one says here. Paste. Let's crop. No, we don't have to crop anything. Do we? No, we don't. No, we do. We need to like check this bottom part. So remember, all these kinds of questions are found in past papers. So remember, we said our goal is going to be to are working on the past papers. Excuse me. Was not necessary. But yeah, are we on the same page?
Yes, we are on the same page.
So this, let's see what you did there. You multiplied them out. Okay, well, usually it's easier to just simplify first before, like, mixing stuff up. Because there's really no need to like mix stuff up if it's going to like make life a bit more difficult. You want to mix it if it is going to make life easier. So that is what is up. Anyways, let us dive into this question. I feel like I'm also like stalling here because I'm like, yo, 5 marks. Okay, this question is, yeah, it's the one, this one. But let's see what we can do. Let's not judge it. So it looks like here we may have to factorize and factorize and factorize until something comes up. So let me just maybe probe this part here for now. It says here 2x. So this, in terms of factorizing, we can do this. Anytime you need to factorize a trinomial, right? Sometimes you can factorize by grouping. Now, before you can factorize by grouping, you need to like take this value and take this one. You multiply them together. Now, what you then want to do is you want factors of 24 that will give you a 5. You see, so it's like 1 and 24, that's not going to work. 2 and 12, that's not going to work. 3, does 3 go into 24? Yes, 8 times. 3 and 8 work, you see. So now you want to ask yourself, no, this is actually a negative 24. So now you want to ask yourself, to get a positive 5, you would have to say minus 3 plus 8.
Plus 8.
Yeah, so now you can replace the middle with those two terms. Just going to be like minus 3x, positive 8x, minus 12. And then these you can group them together, right? And then these you can also group them together. So here you can check out x as a common factor. It's going to be x minus 3 here. Here you can take out 4 as a common factor.
Wait, 2x.
Oh yeah, thanks. There's going to be 2x
I'm
here.
correcting you, hey.
Pardon?
But then you look at, I'm saying I love how I'm correcting you, but then look at my
No,
test.
that's you should, dude. Like, if you see something strange, for both our sakes, like, please say something, Otherwise, it's not gonna be pretty. Because we'll finish and then it'll be a mess and then it'll be like, snap, what's going on? So this and this, these are two brackets that look alike, so that can come out as a common factor. And then we have x plus 4.
X plus 4 is.
Yeah. So we already know that's what's gonna replace this here. You see. So let me move this to the side a bit. Of which this is to show that this is something you can also do on your answer sheet, You can do your workings on the left and then carry on with your sum. Like here, this is gonna be 2x squared. No, we factorize this. Like, what am I doing? It's gonna give us, we said it is 2x minus 3 and then x plus 4. Down here, this is the difference of 2 squares. Up here, we can take out 8 to x as a common factor.
And then x minus 4.
And then, remember, since these are multiplied together, this does not matter. This is just like this.
Yeah.
It really doesn't matter. So what we need to do, though, is we need to just be careful here to say that this is one thing. So we have to put brackets here. We need to be a bit careful, not to be too, we need to just not pull the trigger too fast. So here at the bottom, we cannot do anything as yet, but it looks like we can do something with the top here if we're smart, but let's not do too much at the same time. We don't have to. So here, this can cancel that. And then now we have 2x minus 3, the whole thing being multiplied by, what is this now? What is 8? What is 4 to the power of 3?
4 to the power of 3? Isn't
Yeah.
it 64? Or am I
And
wrong?
then what is, oh yeah, so, and
Yeah,
then what
it
is
is
8?
64.
What is 8 squared?
8 squared. 8 squared, isn't it also 64? Yeah, it is 64.
Yeah, so the bottom here, we're gonna have x minus 4. And then here, we're also gonna have 64 to the power of x. You see? You see
Yes.
it? Yeah, so here we are have to be careful, but we're lucky because look, you see this big bracket here? It's exactly the same as this big bracket. Do you see that?
Yes, I do see that.
Yeah, so luckily we can cancel this, cancel that, and then we will be done. Fantastic. You see it?
Yes, I do see it. I should have seen it before, but it's okay. No,
That's okay. Like this one, hey, we can both agree. Yeah, it's not a normal question. This one, like, you know, it is what it is. But that is what we are here for. We are here to get the questions. You know what I'm saying? So like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Anyways, let's see what we got. So 3 squared root 2x minus blah 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 blah. What's gonna happen? Oh no, we looked at this. Dang it. Did we see all the pages now?
Pardon?
Have we gone through all the pages?
Yes, we went through all the pages.
All 3 of them.
Yeah. And what was
What?
funny was, yeah, what was funny
No
was
way.
before we even went to the next question, I got wrong. I already figured it out. I was so upset.
Oh, you sent the same thing twice. Or I sent the same thing twice. Let me see. Oh wait, it's 2 photos that look similar or look alike. Oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is.